planning a trip to Europe, the right luggage can make or break your travel experience. From cobblestone streets to packed train stations, you need a suitcase that's sturdy, spacious, and easy to maneuver. Welcome to Trusted Shopping Guide, where shopping knows no borders. Let's dive into the top picks for the best luggage for European travel. Traveling through Europe is magical, but it comes with its challenges: narrow streets, endless stairs, and the need to pack smart. That's why choosing the right luggage is crucial. Today, we're showcasing 5 top-rated suitcases that balance durability, style, and practicality for your next European adventure. First up, we have the Samsonite Winfield 3DLX Hardside Spinner. This suitcase is a traveler's dream, with its scratch-resistant shell and lightweight design. It's made from polycarbonate and weighs just 6.7 pounds, featuring 360-degree spinner wheels and TSA-approved locks. It's perfect for frequent flyers who need a durable and secure suitcase. The only downside, it's a bit pricier than some other options, but the quality is worth it. So if you're a frequent flyer who needs a durable and secure suitcase, this is what exactly you need. Next, the Traveler's Choice Vulcan 2 Tone Expandable Hardside Spinner. This suitcase is expandable and water-resistant with a stylish two-tone design that stands out. Made from ABS, it weighs 8.6 pounds and features 360-degree spinner wheels and expandability. It's great for travelers who need extra space for souvenirs. However, it's slightly heavier than other options. If you're the kind of shopper who loves bringing back plenty of souvenirs and finds, this luggage is perfect for you. Spacious, durable, and ready to handle all your take-home treasures. Now, let's look at the Swiss Mobility MKE Hardside Luggage. This ultra-lightweight suitcase features 360-degree spinner wheels for smooth movement. Made from polypropylene, it weighs only 5.5 pounds. It's ideal for minimalist travelers who prioritize mobility. The downside? It might not be as spacious as some other options. For travelers who prioritize mobility and a hassle-free experience, this suitcase is the perfect companion for your adventure. Another luggage we have here is the American Tourister Stratum 2. This budget-friendly suitcase offers a roomy interior and comes in stylish colors. Made from ABS, it weighs 9.2 pounds and features 360-degree spinner wheels and expandability. It's perfect for budget-conscious travelers looking for affordability and quality. However, it's one of the heavier options on our list. This is best for budget-conscious travelers looking for affordability and quality. Last but not least, the Delsey Paris Flannery Hardside Spinner. This suitcase combines an elegant Parisian design with a durable polycarbonate shell and smooth handling. It weighs 8.4 pounds and features 360-degree spinner wheels. It's perfect for style-conscious travelers who want both form and function. The only con: it's a bit on the pricier side. If you're a style-conscious kind of traveler who values both form and function, this luggage is none other than a perfect companion. Here's a quick rundown. For unbeatable durability, go for the Samsonite Winfield 3DLX. Need extra space for souvenirs? The Traveler's Choice Vulcan has you covered. Minimalists will love the lightweight Swiss Mobility MKE, while budget travelers should check out the American Tourister Stratum 2. And for travelers who appreciate both style and practicality, the Delsey Paris Flannery is an ideal choice for any journey. Which luggage are you considering for your trip? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to check out our other travel tips and packing guides. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel gear recommendations. Thanks for watching. This is Trusted Shopping Guide, where shopping knows no borders.